The world isn't just changing, it's being rewritten. And at the heart of this revolution are two words: AI and robotics. You've seen our impact before. Across our established partner schools, we've empowered thousands of young minds to move from being passive consumers to active creators of technology. Now at WEGuide Labs, we are taking that proven expertise to a brand new peak. Introducing Silvermount International School, Parent Almana, a school built for the innovators of tomorrow, starting this year. Through our exclusive collaboration, Silvermount students won't just read about the future, they will build it. From advanced robotics to the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. Together, we are creating an environment where curiosity meets cutting-edge tools. Welcome to a journey of discovery. Welcome to the future of learning. Silvermount International School, empowering the next generation of pioneers. Let's climb higher together.